Hi, everybody. This video I will show you how to save project files. As we see, when we finish the project definitions, including the stock, tools, and program, we need to save it. The first way, we can click Save directly and click here. We will get a information. He told us this file has saved. Okay, this is first way. Also, we can use another name, saved it. We can use the files and saved as with a new name. For example, I need to change the name is gun1 save. Look, the file name will be changed to CHE1. Okay, thanks for your watching.